how to remove the soldering mask from electronic motherboards. First, you're going to need a bucket with some soap water. Second, you'll need 1 cap of 100% lye. Last things that you're going to need, a steel pot and a burner. Allow your water to get pretty hot before adding in your 1 cap of 100% lye. Pour off your waste solution into a bucket. Now put your motherboards into the soap water and twist the bucket back and forth. Now I am adding my gold-plated motherboards into a solution called AP solution. Watch my pinned video to see how I make this AP solution. I took the beaker off the heat plate early to show you why you should let the solution eat up all the visual copper. Make sure to rinse off your gold-plated motherboards in a separate jar just so you do not concentrate your AP solution. Your AP solution is reusable. Keep a spray bottle on hand to give it a little spray, and look how easy it comes off. Now, as you can see, there is bits of copper mixed with this gold. The clean gold that you see in the other jar is a recovery that I did that I let it eat up all the copper, and so it's clean, as you can see. But on this one, like I said, you want to make sure that it eats up all the copper so it doesn't go like this, because now I'm going to have to run it with more AP solution to clean it up. Let's go ahead and separate the gold from our old AP solution. Remember that old AP solution is reusable, so you could do more gold recoveries. You just have to get the copper out. I'll show you how to do that. To get the copper out of your AP solution so you can use it again for another batch of gold recovery, just add anything that's stainless steel to it, and the copper is going to precipitate out onto that stainless steel item. From there, you can go ahead and filter it out to get your copper and then use that AP solution all over again. If y'all want to update on this video for the copper recovery, I'll get this video up to 1,000 likes and I'll do a part 2 for y'all. So here's a piece of motherboard from the clean gold jar that I did. As you can see, it's all off of the copper. Now this, it tried to get the copper off right there. As you can see, it's just the rest of it is full of copper. But there's the clean one, and here's what we got right here. It's not too bad, but like I said, it does have a little bit of copper in there, so we're going to have to run another batch of AP solution just to get it all cleaned up. So this is the reason why I do not add vinegar to the AP solution. When you're adding vinegar to the AP solution, vinegar is about, say for instance, if you had 200 milliliters of vinegar, only 5% of that is 5 milliliters of that is acid, is really the vinegar, and the rest is all water. So you're actually diluting your AP solution. You don't want to do that. I try to tell you people about this, and you don't have to. It's just overall, you'll learn when you give it a try. Give it a try. Let me know what you think about the solution. If you gave it a try already, tell me in the comments if you like it or not. And don't worry, you might not have been my first commenter on this video or my second or third, but you might be it on the next video. So make sure you like, comment, and share this video so the algorithm will continue to bring you back when I post.